Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Mitsuo Baba. I'm a Senior Director of Renesas Electronics. The purpose of my presentation today is to talk about our AI MPU. Our AI MPU is now ready for AI application that enable social implementation. This is Renesas RZ Family. I'm very glad to be here. Let's get started. There is a change in market dynamics. Intelligence moving from cloud to IoT edge and endpoint. So investment is embedded computing at IoT edge and endpoint is now growing. Please take a look at the graph on the right. We estimate the AI MPU market will expand rapidly like this. CAGR is about 40%. Here is just a big business opportunity many people are interested in, isn't it? And as you all know, there are many AI applications, sensors, and sound, and voice, and HMI human-machine interface, and image and vision. Many AI deployments on embedded MPU, MCU have just started. For example, of common use cases, failure prediction, and object recognition, vision AI. All implementation is accelerating rapidly in the all market. And one more thing, AI applications continued to expand. Until now, from object machine centric to, from now in future, to human behavior centric, such as a pose estimation application. AI applications are evolving toward a higher performance, and the diversification of AI will accelerate it further. Higher performance and diversification. So, in the future, it's certain these three trends in the embedded AI, diversified application and higher performance, the new AI models, and human interaction as a new service will further accelerate. So, there are three key requirements for deploying AI applications. Three requirements are flexibility and power efficiency and real-time operation. All three of these are necessary, but power efficiency is the most important and difficult requirement. Okay. This slide explains why power efficiency is important. Heat, based on the power consumption, is a challenge for embedded AI. Power consumption can be expressed like this as AI operations multiplied by power efficiency. When power efficiency is low, power consumption, heat goes hot. Dissipation system must be needed. Installation cost is high and fan noises occur. This is the barrier of a social implementation. When power efficiency is high, power consumption, heat stays cool, so no need heat dissipation system. AI application can be installed in various systems in all markets. No need dissipation and the cost and size can be reduced. So again, heat issue is the toughest challenge from POC to the social implementation. Power efficiency is the most important requirement. Yes. Thank you for waiting. Renesas Embedded MPU solution RZB series is ready now. Today, I'd like to introduce Renesas Embedded AI MPU solution that solves all three requirements. Flexibility is okay, and the power efficiency is okay, real-time operation okay. And our solution also maximizes your competitiveness in the innovation. Our MPU, AI MPU is the RZB series. Before explaining RZB in detail, let me briefly introduce the entire Renesas' broad and scalable product portfolio. This slide shows. We can propose a full system solution that combines the multiple products. Not only MCU, MPU, and SoC, but also analog, power, sensor, and connectivity. Okay, let's move on to MPU RZ family. Here is the overview of RZ family. From target applications aspect, we have 5 series. HMI application, RZA is for Altos, and RZZ is for Linux system. And for industrial networking, RZN, and real-time control application, RZT. And AI application, RZV series. Let me give you features of RZB series from next slide. This slide shows the RZB series product lineup. Currently, there are 2 products, RZV2M and RZV2L. But a new product will be announced soon, tomorrow. Please check it out, tomorrow, new products. And we are also developing a next generation product for their more high performance AI, such as the robotics market. And RZV2L has unique features, pin compatible with RZG2L HMI products. This pin compatibility enables customer product expansion easily to improve UX, user experience. Okay. This slide shows a block diagram of RZV2L. DRP and ARM CPUs are in the core, and there are various interfaces that connect to the real physical space. In addition to the camera, of course, cameras can be connected. It's possible to handle various sensor information as a multimodal AI application. Okay, these the new AI applications I talked about first as a high-performance AI application, new applications. Please look at the performance of Renesas AI MPUs. These are not catalog spec, but the actual AI performance on our AI MPU RZB series. Again, RZB products are now available. Human behavior-centric port estimation with multi-people, and also abnormal, dangerous behavior detection, also available. The differentiating performances of these demos are based on our core technology. AI accelerator, DRP-AI. DRP means a dynamically reconfigurable processor, DRP. This is a Renesas in-house AI accelerator. We have over 20 years of experience in this technology. DRP-AI provides flexibility while not sacrificing performance or power efficiency. And DRP-AI is one of the software-defined hardware, so can design easily as a software model. And with implement Onyx's standard interface. Please visit the Renesas website for a detailed explanation of our DRP-AI technology. Okay, now we are ready. Easy to get. You can get real board solutions easily now. Renesas evaluation board kit can be gotten here, left side, and AppNet Raspberry Pi form factor board also available in here, is here. And more solutions are also available on the Renesas website. Please check these out soon. And E2E, end-to-end ecosystem, is also ready. It's just easy to use, from AI training data collection to deployment on MPU products, AI development tool, platform, or pre-trained AI models, something provided from RZ partner ecosystem solution. Yeah. Edge Impulse Studio is here. With industry standard interface ONNX, Onyx, end-to-end ecosystem connects seamlessly to back-end tool. Back-end solution is provided by Renesas. We provide 2 demos in Emerge in 2022. About the Vision AI application with AI MPU RZ with L, 50 objects, 160 frames per second, and only 3 watt power consumption in system level. Please visit Renesas booth and get in touch with our out-of-the-box solutions now. Okay, I'd like to summarize what I have said today. Renesas RZ MPU provides flexibility, power efficiency, and real-time operation. Renesas end-to-end AI solutions are ready to enable social implementation, easy to get and easy to use. RZ MPU contribute to your innovation at the edge and endpoint for various applications in all device-side markets. Please visit Renesas booth for in-person deep dives with our experts. Stay tuned on our RZ MPU products. Thank you very much.